Guys, welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are new to our family, we welcome you, and those of you who have been on this journey with us, thank you for all the support. We are about to wash our filthy car today, so we're gonna get in the pool, so we're like, let's just wash the car first, then get in the pool later, hence the bathing suit. But yeah, just stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. And there's a bumblebee. Yuck. I was really about to kill him, but I don't think I have to. I was about to kill that bumblebee. I know. Exactly. No, they do. And you know that little bit of the Tiana Taylor that was up there? Yeah. Yeah, it's sad.
Probably because everybody else not trying to make money on it. Well, don't have their own shit. You're not trying to make money. They don't know that they want to think.
I just love this brush. Gets the job done. Keep an eye out for the plane.
Gangsters on the beat, gangsters on the beat, gangsters on the
So hot though. But if y'all want to get y'all car washed, holler at us so we can get it clean for you. Babe, what's your pricing?
What's my wife?
What's your pricing?
$20 for a car. 30 for SUVs, Jeeps, and trucks.
$20 for the cars, 30 for SUVs, Jeeps, and trucks. I think we need 50 for them trucks.
Ain't no bigger than a Jeep.
Gotta clean the bed.
It's a quick spray.
Oh, you doing a half job on this truck.
You know, you don't need to clean the bed that much because the simple fact is that's what the bed is for, to put dirty stuff and everything else in it. Why clean it to the extreme? Just get it.
By the way, my car's name is Oreo, and I'm sure she's feeling the love right now. She has both her parents out here working. Oh yeah, she's feeling the love. Y'all see all this dirt coming off?
Pretty cool that.
I did, yeah. You know, put it in the bucket up. at least middle way.
Dirt.
Sticking to your car so bad. Alrighty, I think we got somewhere. That's the thing about white cars, man. They get dirty. You can see. Like, black cars, you can put it off a little bit, but you cannot put it off on no freaking white car. Sometimes we be putting it off too long.
Yes.
Oh, I was just about to that was my next part. To come and slip those. I was over here.
Oh, you got those.
Oh. Well, excuse me.
The lady over there. Get her wet. It goes far, trust me. I got all the way over there. That's because you're standing. You should have just let me do it, because you want to stand far away from it.
Okay, well, I'm doing it right now.
I'm just saying, like, you're not even getting the top good.
It's not a full rinse. I'm gonna go back over with the bag.
No, but I mean, I would want a full rinse so we can get the soap out of it.
Okay, do it how you want.
Oh my God. Everything. Yeah, like, like once again, guys, thanks for watching. We are finished with washing the car. What you think? Think we did a good job? I think so. Could have did better, but it's cool. Once again, we are thankful for all of the viewers, all of you guys, all of the love, our family, not fans, family. Just thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching us. Until next time. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can go ahead, so you can get updated of any content that we got posted. All right, love you guys. See you later. Bye.